Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Amar Habis, and today we're going to talk about Arabian Ceramics Company. Me and my friends Salman and Muslih and Muslih al-Zahrani. So, have you ever thought about what our floor or wall tiles are made of? What are the components of those tiles and how they've been put together to make a tile of ceramic? So we visited the Arabian Ceramics Company and we saw all that, from collecting the raw materials, the sand, and all the way to packing and delivering these ceramic tiles. They make a lot of ceramic tiles with different sizes and styles. And let's talk about the company as an overall. So the company was founded in 2006 by Sheikh Khalid Bagdo. It covers around 200,000 square meters of area, and they have 7 lines of production. The factory produces 60 million square meters per year of ceramic tiles, and they make 45 square meters of wall and floor tiles daily. And they are the first company in Saudi Arabia to have the digital printing machine for the tiles, and the factory is certified by Saudi standards, SASO, and the European and the international standards. So first thing I'm going to talk about is the safety and health. So the safety rules in the Arabian Ceramics is wearing personal protective equipment necessary for the job. Always use the tool and machinery safely. Lift properly using legs, not your back, just to not hit your back. And you have to wear safe for clothing and footwear. And the most important thing is to report for all injuries. And Salman will talk about the process flow.
Hello everyone. Now I will talk about the process flow from the beginning, from receiving the raw material into the packing and finished good. So they have 2 stages. The first one they call it the preparation stage, which is receiving the raw material. The raw material is many types of sands. Then they transport it to their own machines for mixing and grinding stones to powder. Then the final step is the drying process. They dry the stones to deliver to the second stage. The second stage is called the manufacturing stage. The first one, they press the stone. The strength of press is 300 bar, which the powder is converted to tile. Then they paint. You can paint anything you want, picture or any color. The stage of determining the type of tile and its pass through spray the water on the surface. Finally, the firing. It goes into oven that has a length of 142 meter. And the last thing, sorting and packing, and until the finished goods. So this is a small picture of the process flow. This is the process chart. As you see, the first one is receiving the raw material, then transported to their own machines, then drying process and press and paint, then quality check, then firing and sorting and packing. Now my friend Muslih will talk about the industrial engineering tools used in the factory.
Hello everyone. We're going to talk about industrial engineers tools used in the factory. Quality control and quality assurance. We all have heard of these two things, but we can't really know the difference, and they sound really close to each other. So the quality control is used after some processes to test and to expect it. How's the product is going through the stages to detect if there's any problems and making sure it's within the standards and the requirements. The standards data are saved in the data system over the years. Quality assurance, the main function in quality assurance is to decrease the defects items by improving the quality of the product, which then assure the quality of the company by extending the best, delivering the best quality to the customers. Opportunity for improvement. We saw some problems in the company that we think it needs to be solved. The first problem we saw is there was birds and cats in some places, and these things can cause problems to the machines or damaging it. It can delay the process, or also can end the life of these little creatures. The solutions we found was a welfare solution. This can be avoided by having a guard dog at the entrance, so these animals can't go in. Solution 2. Also, there are some perfumes that that the cats hates. Its smell, and that it will make the cats keep distance from the area of the manufacturer. Second problem was some machines were outdated and are not working. This can cause maybe some delays in the production line. The solution we thought of, maybe a better scheduling for the machines and efficient use of the machines can extend the life cycle for the machines. The third problem we noticed, there are some machines that are risky to use and needs to be operated carefully, and it's really close to the workers. The first solution we thought about was separating the workers from those machines. That only the workers that are operating these machines are close to it. The second solution was changing the machines to new ones that is more safe to use. In conclusion, we learned about the industrial engineering, the process flow, and using the old samples to compare them with the new ones for the quality control system. And thank you for your listening.